knew that the bottles we toss out daily are actually bought by a small workshop in Pakistan for 500 ajin and handcrafted into beautiful perfume bottles? One moment, they are foul-smelling, dirty shards of broken glass. In an instant, they transform into elegant containers specifically designed for high-end perfumes. The process isn't magical. It's a perfect blend of hard work and wisdom. To this small workshop, glass fragments mixed with all sorts of impurities are nothing new. The master craftsman first performs an initial sorting of this glass, then pours it into a basin for a thorough cleaning. With the seamless coordination of the rake and his skilled hands, this task is a piece of cake for the master craftsman. After being cleaned, these glass fragments are about to undergo a complete transformation. In the processing area, several workers surround a clay furnace. Fans run at full speed as the workshop roars with machinery. Yet the master craftsmen never slow down. Following this master craftsman, it turns out the glass is added to the furnace from here. Glass may seem fragile, but its melting point is on par with many metals, about 1000 degrees. However, here it only needs to be heated until it softens, and an iron rod is used to retrieve the material. While the operation doesn't require much skill, using the right amount is essential, making this step crucial. Next, the molten glass is cooled and shaped using a mold, then quickly transferred to a stamping machine. In just a few seconds, an exquisite bottle is born. The bottle has a slight yellow tint, not from impurities, but because it hasn't completely cooled down yet. The shaped bottles still need to go through an annealing process, where they are slowly cooled to a suitable temperature to eliminate internal stress. As for what stress is, I believe those of you who have studied physics should know. After this series of operations, the perfume bottles are complete. They look clean and flawless, with an unbelievable level of purity. Who would have thought that these exquisite perfume bottles originated from discarded glass in a garbage heap?